LOV111VOL is an application that is used to manage a one-person business, a team, as well as an entire company, an entire organization. When the login window appears, in the place of login and password, enter the word human, and then click Login. After logging into the application, you will go to the Email Client program. Here you will be able to use the email client. As for the advantages that the competition does not offer, it is a filter. A filter and the ability to save this filter. In the settings, you should go to Accounts. And here you need to fill in the following fields. If you use Gmail, for example, all the instructions on how to hook up your email account will be in the application. In the publicly available binder. You need to click on Gmail with LOV111VOL, then select this PDF here. This is the complete instructions on how to add an account to LOV111VOL.